Hi guys, it's SweetTooth1967 bringing you another product description. Thanks for coming to my channel, really appreciate it. Today we're looking at WAREN JAMES. It's a pendant locket with crystals from Swarovski. I think I spelled that right. Anyway, I'm going to show you that. Isn't that gorgeous? Shining in the light there. Absolutely beautiful. WAREN JAMES is a known brand. I'll show you the dimensions of the box. First of all, there to there. So it's about nearly 4 inches by 3 inches, and the locket itself, 2 centimeters. It's a really nice box as well. It's got WAREN JAMES on there, if you can see that. So what we'll do is we'll open up that box. I think we can get into there. Inside the box there's the crystals. I'm hoping that's Swarovski, I think that's right. It says, you have purchased a beautiful jewellery piece made from crystals from Swarovski. The genuine Swarovski crystals used have been hand set by expert craftsmen to create this stunning It's a stunning piece of jewellery. It must be handled with care to retain its beauty. Please do not immerse your jewellery in water. Okay, so you can see the locket there. Alright. Looks really nice for the ladies there. Okay, so that's just a quick look at that one. Okay, it was a present for my partner. Really nice piece of kit. As I say, it's something you can wear probably every day really. Goes back in the box. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate your views, likes, comments. Why don't you subscribe in there? Hit that bell. We'll see you later. Thanks. Bye for now.